We reside on the most beautiful planet in the solar system, Earth, which has a lovely, lush, and clean environment. Nature is everything we are surrounded by, like the sun we soak in, the birds we hear chirping, the plants we take care, the moon we gaze at, and more. Above all, it is rich and vibrant and consists of both living and non-living things. The nature is everything around us, which surrounds us with beautiful environment. We see and enjoy it every moment. We observe natural changes in it, hear it and feel it everywhere. The finest friend we have is nature, which gives us everything we need to survive. It provides us with clean water to drink, healthy air to breathe, food to eat, places to live, animals, and plants for our benefit. We should fully enjoy the nature without disturbing its ecological balance. So that we can enjoy nature forever, we should take care of it, keep it calm, maintain it clean, and stop it from being destroyed. One of the most priceless treasures that God gave us was nature, which we should enjoy but not abuse.